What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. Are you looking to get stronger abs and a stronger core? You want to burn that fat? You want to burn those calories? Get that workout in? Well, join me in this 5-minute ab and core workout, okay? Again, it's doing what you can. All right, challenging yourself, challenging that body. Here we go. Let's warm it on up. Feet shoulder width apart, inch worms. Soft bend in those knees, reach that ground. Walk it on out. Hit that high plank. Come back up. You can reach it up, nice and easy. Exhale that breath, that should come on up, okay? So you want to keep that core engaged here. You're warming up that core, warming up those abs, warming up the body. Great job, everybody. Again, just nice and easy, okay? Okay, so we got 2 moves today. We got 1 minute each move. No break. We're going to come down into a high plank. Abs engaged. Back is flat. Hands right below those shoulders. All right, core is engaged. Belly button pulled in. Nice flat back. All right, hold right here. Keep it breathing. If you have any wrist issues, you can drop it to the low plank if you need to, okay? All right, whatever your body allows you to do. All right, nice and easy. Hold right there. All right, first move, we're coming up right here. Flip it on over, bicycle crunches. Opposite knee, opposite elbow, hands back. Reach it on up and twist. All right, exhaling that breath every time you twist those abs, every time you're hitting that opposite knee. All right, so working some obliques here, some side abs with the twisting motion. All right, second move, just straight mountain climbers, okay? So we're flipping it on back over, high plank, knees in, okay? We got about 30 more seconds of these, so again, we only have 2 rounds today, okay? 5 minutes each, or 5-minute workout, 2 rounds, 1 minute each. Nice work. How we doing, everybody? 15 more seconds. Then we're gonna go straight into some mountain climbers, okay? Great job, everybody. Again, do as much as you can, challenging yourselves. If you ever need a breather, mountain climbers, if you ever need a breather, go ahead and take it. All right, mountain climbers, you're in a high plank, bring those knees right down the center, okay? You can pick that speed up if you need to, okay? The faster you're going, the more you're working. But make sure you have that correct form. All right, knees right down the center. Exhaling that breath every time you bring that knee in. Again, you're working those abs, working cores, working shoulders. 30 more seconds. Nice work, everybody. Feel the burn. Feel that body. Okay, if you ever need a breather, you can drop it to the knees if you need to, or you can give me that child's pose, okay? That's that break right there for you if you need it. 15 seconds. All right, almost there. Then we flip it back over. Second round. Bicycle crunches. One more time. All right, here we go. Flip it back over. Bicycle crunch. Last round. All right. Reach that knee with that opposite elbow. Extend that other leg out, okay? Make sure that other leg is always coming out. Great job, everybody. Keep it breathing. Again, extend out. And then, don't lose that form. If you're losing that form, take a breather. All right. Then get right back into it when you're ready. Again, working side abs here. Those are those obliques. Twisting motion. $15 seconds. Nice work, everybody. How we doing? Last 5. All right, flip it on over. Last mountain climbers, okay? Nice work. Keep it going. Finish strong, everyone. Get those knees in. Exhale that breath. Back is flat. Good job, everybody. Work that body again, challenging that self, okay? You gotta stay committed to whatever you're doing, okay? Working that body, getting those results you want. 30 seconds left. Keep breathing. Feel the burn. Heart rate's going. Keep breathing. Get those knees in. Almost there. Got 10 more seconds. Stay strong. You got this. I'm right here with you. Alright, well, relax, Charles pose, sit it back. Reach those hands forward. Catch that breath. Alright, bring it on down, lay it on down. Cobra position. Hips down, chest up. Stretching right up, those abs. Chin up. Drop one shoulder. Side stretch here, okay? Side ab stretch. Other side. Back at center. Sit it back. One more time. Alright, bring it on. Everybody bring it on to the knees. Reach those hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Alright, let me know how this workout was for you, okay? Let me know in the comments below how long you lasted. If you lasted the full time, how many breaks you had to take. Alright, great job today, everybody. Again, stay fit, stay flex, and I'll see you guys next time.